Double letter endings. Many words end with double letters that are the same. Here are just some of them for you. Do you want one egg or two? He can spell very well. He got A+. He is angry. He will spill his drink to show his anger. He rang the bell and laughed. They fill your coffee cup full at the local cafe. He adjusted his cuff. You need to pull the rope very hard. Please cross out the sentence. It is wrong. This grass is very long. The insects love it. She jumped off the high cliff. Their house is a mess. They are trying to clean it up. The buzz of the bee is very loud. She wore a short black dress to the party. I am sick, so I took some medicine. It made a lot of fizz. There is a lot of food and stuff on the table. Can you think of more words that end with double letters? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.